呀，我们要讲很久。怎么特别帅那么紧张？
你觉得你们能够准时开始直播吗
OK，
Hello，正式开始。Hello everyone, this is Minnie.
Hello everyone, this is Penny.
Welcome to Wellfast channel. Here, I want to tell you some good news.
Oh, what kind of good news?
And in order to better help customers to create good results, we are now launching promotion activities of inventory items as the poster shows. Yes, you can see that we have prepared an exclusive 2-week discount just for you, which can be used for today's stock item. 10% of discount for rings and 5% discount for piston and liners. Besides, if you follow us to be our fans, we will send you the Wellfast new design material gifts like some cups, and you can choose the color you like, and also t-shirt, and you can choose the one you like for each order in our shop. What's more, if you watch our live streaming to the end, you can contact our customer service and we will send you the gift, and you can choose the one you like.
不是，不要笑场。
你不能笑哦。哪个？没事。
哦，你上次也纠正我这个，
是吗？
纠结这个好。Contact 吗？啊，不是，
我读成 contact。
我们都读 contact。
快点。
Contact.
Together with the product you order.
So guys, please remember to follow us to get more information about our Wellfast group. Put the catalog button to contact our customer service and talk with us anytime.
Yes. And today we are going to talk about the piston rings, role, and function in the internal combustion engine as well as its materials.
Yes, and now let's watch a small video about our piston ring production line.
啊，你再点，
可以了哈，可以继续吗？
可以。
First of all, I would like to know more about our company. So, Minnie, can you tell me more about Wellfast?
Of course, Wellfast Engine Parts Company is a group company having factory and offices. About our product, we develop a wide range of engine components like piston ring and piston, liner and bearing.
Liner.
Okay. Yes, liner and bearing gasket kit for various combustion engines for the commercial vehicle of highway, passenger car, motorcycle, etc. Our great manufacturing capacity consists of 4 production locations in China, equipped with importing machine and product line from Japan and Germany. The factory main business are OE for big car manufacturers, and Wellfast Guangzhou are doing business for aftermarket.
Yes, and we are now supplying west of OE clients worldwide. So it is convincing that we have good experience working with clients and understanding the process of development and documentation. Guys, I believe that you have no more information for our Wellfast Engine Parts Company. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to comment us. We'll reply you once we read your comments. Okay, now let's get to our main topic today: piston rings, function, and materials. What? We know that the working condition of piston ring in engines is very harsh and contradictory.
Yeah.
It bears the high pressure and high heat generated by the combustion of gas in the combustion chamber. That is to say, it needs to bear the resulting high mechanical load and thermal load, but also the relative friction movements with the cylinder wall and piston ring groove.
And now, please follow me. As you can see, this is the combustion chamber, which contains the mixture of oil and gas. And this is the piston with 3 piston rings. And this is the crankcase and cylinder wall. Okay, let's simulate the working environment of piston and piston ring. Now, let's look at the piston in my hands. It has 3 piston rings on it. And now you can see that the ring gap that looks like fairly large, right? But that's not actually how large it will be once it gets compressed into the cylinder as you squeeze this piston into the cylinder. As you squeeze it, and you can see that the ring gap is going to become quite a bit smaller. And in this case, the piston is act as a spring. The piston ring will expand out together with the mantle expand within the engine based on different temperature. In this case, you can make sure that you have a good compression because the piston ring will expand out and meet up with the cylinder wall so that it will have a nice sealed chamber for the combustion above. Okay? So this is the working environment of it.
Okay, so you can see the first ring sells about 80 to 90% of the gas, and the second ring sells about 10 to 12% of the gas, and the oil control ring sells about 5% of the gas.
Yes, and we can see that this 2 ring, we call it the compression ring. Its main function is to better transfer the heat from the piston into the cool cylinder wall. And the last one, we call it oil control ring. The oil control ring can scrape the excessive oil from the cylinder wall into the piston. What's the function of? 你要说 what's the main function?
忘记了，来写一下怎么样？要看的是吧？不是，放桌上的。不是，你不用管我。然后，那你跳过，你再说下一个。
The first one is sealing, the second one oil control, and the third one is heat conducting. And the piston ring will transfer the heat from the piston to the cylinder wall.
你不是刚才说过这个？
对，你说这个跳过。
对，跳过了。然后现在是说这个。
oil control 要说吗？
对，刚刚不是。
假设说过了。
假设说这个。
好。
现在说这个。
The second one, oil control. The oil ring scrapes excessive oil from the cylinder into the piston through this hole, and keeping oil consumption at a desired level while reducing harmful exhaust emission.
The oil ring controls about 70 to 90% of the oil, and the air ring controls about 10 to 12% of the oil.
Yes, and the third one is heat conducting. The piston ring will transfer the hot heat from the piston into the cool cylinder wall.
The piston rings can transfer about 70% to 80% of the heat from the piston groove to the cylinder wall.
Okay, that's all the function of the piston ring. Now we know that these small parts can also play a big difference.
So what kind of material is the piston ring made of?
Yes, let's look at the PowerPoint. The first material I'm going to tell you guys is the alloy cast iron. We call it K1. And you can see this is the microstructure of it. 你了。
哦，
OK，
我就跳过了是吧？
对。然后 distinguish，然后就挑。我会开始挑这个。
Now, do you know how to distinguish these materials? Like, I don't know how to distinguish K1 and KB1. Can you tell me?
Of course, I know this is quite hard,